Tubebuddy Review: How to get more views on YouTube. How to make more videos and make them viewable with Tubebuddy. Introduction. YouTube is one of the largest video sharing websites on the internet and known for its video sharing community that's seen huge growth over the years. It's estimated that there are hundreds of millions of content creators worldwide, and as such, your competition can be huge. Summary. Tubebuddy is a browser extension that lets you get more views and increase subscribers by providing you with tools that help you optimize your content in the fastest time possible. The tool finds relevant and searchable keywords around your video's topic that you can include in your title, description, tags, and video content. What is Tubebuddy? Tubebuddy is a suite of tools that helps you make your YouTube videos better and get more views, subscribers, and engagement by use of SEO. It's a powerful extension that gives you access to over 50 tools on YouTube. Tubebuddy feature benefits. Channel management. Tubebuddy is a web-based tool that enables you to manage your Tube channels effectively. Tubebuddy also provides insights into the demographics of your viewers, helping you to tailor your marketing strategy accordingly. Best practice audit. Tubebuddy is the world's first AI-powered practice audit tool. Tubebuddy uses artificial intelligence, AI, to analyze your workflow and identify areas of improvement. Bulk processing. Tubebuddy is a bulk processing tool that helps you easily manage and catalog your content. With Tubebuddy, you can manage your entire content creation process in a single platform, making it easier for you to stay on top of your content marketing strategy. Keyword research. Tubebuddy has a keyword research tool that helps you discover potential keywords that are related to your target market. By entering in the keywords you want to research, Tubebuddy will show you how many searches per month are being done for those terms, as well as what types of content are being generated. Thumbnail generator. Tubebuddy is an innovative and easy-to-use software that helps you create the perfect thumbnail for your videos. Tubebuddy also allows you to quickly generate search engine optimized thumbnails, so that your content is easily found by your audience. Tag Explorer. Tubebuddy have one of the most reliable, user-friendly and comprehensive tag explorers on the market. With Tubebuddy, you can easily find and analyze trends on your site and make necessary changes to keep your content relevant and engaging for your audience.